Hello productivity enthusiasts. In today's video, let's explore how to print your Google Calendar. Whether you want a hard copy for reference or need to share your schedule, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. 1. Access Google Calendar. Open your web browser and visit Google Calendar. Sign in with your Google account. 2. Select your date range. At the top right, click on the desired view, day, week, month, year, schedule, or 4 days. Click the gear icon, settings, and choose print. 3. Customize print options. In the print preview page, adjust details like font size or color. To fit your calendar better, change to landscape or portrait mode, hide weekends, if needed. Modify the font size. Without changing the number of days per page, select full color for RSVPs, transparent for non-responders, include event details, descriptions and responses. 4. Print or save as PDF. Click Print to get a hard copy. To save as a PDF, under Destination, choose Save as PDF. Click Save.